Today, we're talking about the business of family vacations, which can be a fun family bonding experience, or a veritable hellscape of temper tantrums and 3 a.m. wake ups. And at over 20 locations strong, one of the best known family resorts in America is the Great Wolf Lodge. And with our first ever stay a week away, I wanted to dig into their business model before I officially joined the pack. I've received 9 emails since booking, and they focus on upselling experiences and packages. Even in their 10 Ways to Maximize Your Stay article, 6 of the tips offer advice on how to spend more money. I can add a pup pass for only $50, a late checkout for $70, or if I'm interested in terrifying my children, a birthday package. I'm sure I'll be seeing these creatures in my nightmares. Let's look to see how much Great Wolf Lodge relies on upselling. Unfortunately, we no longer have public financial statements as the company was taken private by Apollo Global Management in 2012. But if we look at their 10K from 2011, we see that of their $297 million in revenue, $92 million of it was from the food, beverage, and other category, about 31%. Admittedly, this information is outdated, but it still shows that Great Wolf needs to sell you more than your room to keep the bottom line healthy. There are plenty of add-ons to choose from. You can purchase a dining package or breakfast at a discount ahead of time, rent a cabana in the water park, buy passes to their paid attractions, and extra activities like Build-A-Bear. Encouraging planning ahead like this is becoming more common in travel. Hotels, cruise lines, resorts, and theme parks are all offering more packages up front because they allow them to collect the cash well ahead of time. And guess who pre-book services spend more than those who buy everything after check-in? After all, you're more likely to splurge on that extra cocktail if you paid the bill for your cabana 3 months ago. But to be fair to Great Wolf, they do bundle a fair amount in their base fee. There's no extra resort fee added on, and you get your room, water park passes, life jackets, towels, free Wi-Fi, and some of their resort activities like family yoga, art classes, and dance parties. So bringing it all home, Great Wolf's pricing strategy is designed to capture your interest with a competitive price. Note the fact there's always a sale going on. Bundle in a base package of core amenities, and then tempt you both before and during your vacation with those sweet upgrades. It's an effective strategy and also allows them to appeal to a variety of travelers. Families on a budget can take advantage of the low rates and skip the extras, while others can choose to splurge on convenience and experiences. This gives them a hybrid pricing strategy, not all-inclusive, but still giving you more than just a bed. Have you been to a Great Wolf Lodge? Did you feel like you got a steal, or did you find yourself opening your wallet a bit too much? Let us know in the comments.